What's up, Wallet Monkeys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna cover the $70,500 in total credit in 2022 with PNC Bank. Now, PNC Bank is not an institution you hear an awful lot about, right? It's not very popular on YouTube. Not really sure why. You can go in cold without a relationship, even though checking savings relationship always does better with a bank, depending on the credit profile thickness that you're working with. But I wanted to share this with you today, hopefully give you some more data points. You can also go and check out walletmonkey.io, our master credit card lender list. We've got a plethora of other data points on PNC Bank and really as many institutions as you can think of. So check that out as well. Bookmark those pages, share them with a friend, show us some love. Okay, so let's dive into it. This $70,500 is across 4 cards. They're all personal cards. Went in with the first card at $12,500. Got a $19,000 card back to back, and then the most recent, which is a $20,000 card. I'll show you that, some screenshots in just a second on that one. Experience, so this was done throughout 2022. Let's take a little step back here, which is really, really quick to get $70,000 with any bank. That's fast to get that within 12 months. It's like sub 12 months. They pulled Experian each time. So that's 4 hard pulls on Experian, and his credit, I think, ranged from like lower 700s to 761 it was at with the most recent one. Okay, as I said, yep, all built this year, hard pull every single card. In terms of inquiries, he just said he's got a lot. So he doesn't really care about inquiries because, again, he's got a solid profile and he's got a lot of credit available, right? Shout out to this video sponsor, us. Yes, that's right. We recently launched our credit mastermind. If you want to get your first 100K in credit or your next 100K in credit, this might be the way that you can level up, right? So this is a dedicated group where that is our sole intention for the next 12 months. After that, it is all about getting new streams of revenue established. So figuring out how to get cash off those cards, turn that cash into streams of revenue, more money, and essentially collecting and acquiring assets, right? So if this is something that you want to do, this is where you want to take the game next, this might be something that you're interested in, link right here or down in the description below. Again, that's the Credit Mastermind. Now let's get back to the video. Income is, I think it's well over 6 figures stated and documented. I'm not really sure what his exact number is. I don't really care to ask. Just know that this is Q and he's got over 700,000 in credit available, probably more by now. And yeah, he does insane big numbers. And so he gets into banks and does the business and gets it done really, really quick. So deposits, in case you're wondering, like, oh, did he just slap in a huge deposit and plop that down to get these cards? No, he's got $1,200 sitting in a business checking account. And he doesn't really use the cards that often. So what all of this is telling us is that when you have a thicker profile, when you're well above 6 figures in stated income, that you can work really, really great credit limits and cards, right? And again, like something to keep in mind is that if everything on your profile is a $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 card, don't go expecting a $20,000 card. We have to build up that foundation first. We have to have something on the credit profile that's showing a $15,000, $20,000 card before you can expect to get cards like that, usually. And that's where AUs and things like that can start to come into play. But let me show you these screenshots. Blurred out the specifics, 20,000, 19.74%. This was for the PNC Premier Traveler Visa Signature. I mean, PNC's got some great cards. They really do. So I'm not really sure why it doesn't get more love. Okay, 20,000, 19.74, 0% balance transfer for the first 12 billing cycles if done within the first 90 days, pretty typical, and 19.74%. There you go, my friends. If you want more data on PNC Bank, check out walletmonkey.io. If you've got fresh data points from PNC Bank that you'd like to share, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Take a second, let us know so that we can add that to our database. That's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. See ya. Hey, you should subscribe. 60% of you are not subscribed yet, right there. Okay, bye.
Wild monkey.